Good morning, good afternoon. This is Trey Labot, and in this video, I'm going to break down how LeBron and Luka can attack the Knicks tonight, the New York Knicks. Okay, currently the Knicks are 19th in the league in defensive rating, and they're 26th in the league in opponent three-point field goal percentage. They're 25th in the league in opponent's field goal percentage. And the real, lethal stat with this is that they're the 27th percentile in pick and roll defense. So, in their main, I guess, defensive scheme in the pick and roll is drop coverage. They like to send. They like to send on the pick and roll. They like to drop the big all the way to the paint and force the guard to make a decision. But I don't think that's going to be a good formula to stop the Lakers tonight with Luka and LeBron. And in this video, I'm gonna break down how they have been attacking and how they've been attacking and what they need to do tonight. Like I said earlier, you can't really play these guys in drop coverage, but it's really no pick and roll defense that will work with these guys. There's no defense that these two guys haven't seen. So as far as like trapping and trying to get them to get rid of the ball, you're not really going to stop them because they're going to find the open man every time. It's just going to be whether their teammates make shots. But let's get into the video of how they've been attacking these last couple games versus the Knicks. And let's get into it. Right here, Cat. That was a handoff. Cat was basically dropping all the way down to the paint. That wasn't a trap necessarily, but like I said, they found the open man. The Knicks have good wing defenders with Bridges and OG, but they are still a mediocre defensive team according to the stats. Some of these shots you can't do anything about. Just greatness. Cat dropping all the way to the paint. LeBron being patient. Wide open Rui. They tried to basically like sandwich him that play. Here another screen and roll. Cat dropping. LeBron staying patient again. Wide open Dodo. Cat doing that again. Sinking all the way to the paint. And LeBron getting all the way to the rim. They don't really have a lot of rim protection either. That's another problem. Cat's tall, but he's capable shot blocker, but he's not the best shot blocker in the league, and that will hurt them tonight as well. Cat sinking again. LeBron wide open shot. This is from the Pelicans game a couple days ago with some of Luka's assists. They switched up the coverages a lot, and that was a trap. And Luka found LeBron wide open on the weak side for his 50,000 point lead. Crazy. It's just some screen and roll actions. Pelicans did like 3 or 4 different coverages this game, trying to mix it up. He still had 30 and 15 assists. I think it's gonna be a lot of that tonight too. Little brush screen, split it, find Vando. Try the weak trap right there. You can't weak trap Luka. Like, if you go in the trap, Luka has to be a hard trap. Well, I would say that was kind of a hard trap, and he still found a window. That was amazing. Little trap. I wouldn't trap Luka either. It's like I don't know, man. I don't know what. Like I said, there's no real right answer to it. I want to see LeBron and Luka screen for each other a lot, like Kyrie and Luka were doing this game. It probably wouldn't work as well with the Knicks because I'm sure OG and Mikal Bridges are gonna hold LeBron and Luka, and they could really just switch that because they're like the same height, same athleticism. But in other games and situations, I love to see LeBron and Luka screen for each other. I think it's gonna come more in the playoffs. Luka didn't have any games versus the Knicks this year, so this is from last year. I think he had like 39 points. Trap, get it out of his hands. Right back to him. Yada. It should be a high-scoring game tonight, but I expect the Lakers to finish out on top. Hope everybody's having a blessed day today, and I'll see y'all soon.